Jai Srimanarayana. 7th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Jitatmanaha prasantasya paramatma samahitaha sitoshna sukha dukkheshu tadha manavamanayoho. Om. The ultimate goal can be realized only when the mind is perfectly balanced. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma seriously recommending everyone to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall try to keep my mind perfectly balanced. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Pandavas gave birth to some more children through other wives. Sahadeva gave birth to Suhotra through Vijaya. Nakula gave birth to Naramitra through Karenumati. Arjuna gave birth to Iravanta through Ulupi. Arjuna gave birth to Babhruvahana through the daughter of Maniraja. And Tava Tataha Subhadrayam Abhimanyuhu Ajayata. Your father Abhimanyu born to Arjuna through Subhadra. That Abhimanya was such a great soldier. He himself, by himself, can fight with 1,000 soldiers at a time. Such Abhimanyu gave birth to you through Uttara. Ho Parikshin Narendra, Tvancha Krishnanubhavena sajivo mochitaha antakat. You were saved by Sri Krishna Paramatma. When Aswathama shooted Brahmastram to kill you, Krishna Paramatma protected you. And you will have 4 sons, Janamejaya, Shrutasena, Bhimasena, Ugrasena. Because you have a curse and you will be killed by a snake, Janamejaya learned about that and he got so mad at all the snakes, and in order to destroy all the snakes in this world, he will do one Sarpayagam in future. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra telling to Parikshin Narendra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 7th sloka. Jitatmanah prasantasya paramatma samahitaha sitoshna sukhadukkeshu tadhamanaavamanayoho. Jitatmanah prasantasya paramatma samahitaha sitoshna sukhadukkeshu tadhamanaavamanayoho. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.